Oh, my poor sick husband. Breakfast in the chair. Unfortunately in the chair because he cannot sleep properly.
Thank you for the nice breakfast.
Yeah. Oh. It was a really very difficult night.
Ganito talaga ako pag nagkakasakit ng ubo at saka yung cold. 2 weeks, 3 weeks bago maka-recover.
It's always like this, right?
Because I have history like this when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Then I said like I almost died.
Please don't die.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that we need to start really taking seriously our diet and exercise. I'll make it crispy. Sissy, what you want? Sissy, what? Sissy, sedni, Sissy, sedni. No. A Sissy, let me pat. Jo, hodna holka. Hodna, Sissy, hodna.
Talagang yung gamot mukhang hindi umuobra. At kung nagtataka kayo bakit nandito ako sa reclining chair, kasi pag nakahiga ako, lalong umatake yung aking ubo. Pero wala naman akong infection. Sabi ko ng doktor, may mga tao talaga na pag may cold, matagal makapag-recover. Siguro isa ako doon. Talagang pag may ubo at sipon talaga ako, lalo na may kasamang fever, ang tagal ko makarecover. So ito, ilang ko na to, magto 2 weeks na to. Lalo na ngayong winter, sobrang lamig. So pinipilit kong makalanghap ng sariwang hangin sa labas. Mga 5 minutes sa labas, inhale, exhale. Pero pagbalik ko, talagang sa loob, talagang umatake uli yung ubo. So, yeah. Dito ako natulog talaga kasi grabe talaga. Mas naawa ko kaya na kasi alam kong nadidisturbo ko siya eh. Kasi ito, yung reclining chair, at least kung na-adjust ko sa may remote to eh. Ganyan o. So, na-adjust ko siya. At sana makapag-recover kagad kasi absent na ako ng isang session sa aking check lesson. Every Monday ang check lesson namin. So, sana makapag-attend ako by next week. So yan, at inendaan ako ni Ana ng breakfast ko rito. So ayaw ko kasing bumaba. Pag dito ako kasi sa taas, at least hindi ako nagmamask. Kasi pag nagmamask ako, nafe-feel ko na mas lalong lumala kasi hindi ako makahinga ng maayos pag magmamask ako. Pero pag bumababa ako, nagmamask ako, balik ka agad ako rito at dito lang ako mag-isa. So, ngayon at least hindi ako bumaba kasi hinindaan ako ni Ana ng breakfast. But for the last 7 days na ako lang mag-isa rito sa taas. So, wala si Ana sa work. Bumababa ako. So, ako naghanda ng aking breakfast kaya nagmamas ako. So, yun. Dami kong gamot na binigay ng doktor. 2 days ko nang ito yung pangatlong araw ko na tinitake to. Pero hindi ko feel na gumagana yung gamot eh. Gusto ko sanang humingi ng antibiotic. Pero sabi niya naman na wala kang infection. Kaya hindi pwedeng bigyan niya ako ng antibiotic. Sasayang lang sabi niya. Kasi antibiotic hindi naman yan gamot sa ubo. Huwag ka mag-take ng antibiotic para sa ubo. So, siyempre, doktor ang may sabi, di ba? Kaya grabe talaga. Magto 2 weeks na. Gabi-gabi. Mas lalo siyang umatake sa gabi. Hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos. Sabi ko kaya na doon ka muna matulog kay Sofia. Pero ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya rito matulog para kung may hingiin daw ako, may bibigay niya kagad, makakakon siya kagad. So, dyan sa bed, ako dito sa reclining. At least, ganun pala pag ubo, pag naka-incline ka, medyo nagka-calm siya. Kain muna ako ng breakfast para makapag-take ng medicine. It's another day in Czech Republic. Nakamask ako kasi ayaw ko namang mahawa yung lahat ng tao dito. Tapan ko lang to. Ito. Doon sa compost. Dinig niyo ba yung inaapakan ko? Oo. Ganda ng paligid. Puting-puti. Ako magtapon dito. Yan. Okay. Tapos, alam nyo paano ko itong gasan? Ito. Sorry, I cannot help you this week.
It's okay.
So Hannah is the one cleaning. I wasn't able to clean the stairs. I was really sick.
Yeah.
So hopefully I'll get better and I could do my part. Okay, let her clean and I'm going down to have lunch. Okay na si Sophia, madali lang siyang naka-recover. Ako talaga pag ubo ang trangkaso. Yung trangkaso ko minsan tumatagal ng 4 na araw. Tapos yung ubo, 3 linggo. Ganun. Hi.
Hi, Toy.
Are you playing?
Yeah, I'm playing it because, you know, I got bored and I realized I have a Nintendo, right? And I haven't played this game in a while. But I already finished this game, like, completely. Like, I had everything. I've collected every single, it's called Pokemon Violet, Pokemon Scarlet. I think I've collected every single Pokemon in the game. I've done everything. So I got bored, so I restarted the game. I deleted all my progress and I'm starting from 0.
Yeah, I bought that for her, this Nintendo, like 4 years ago.
I would say 3.
3 years ago. In England. How much did they buy that, Pinkai?
It was on...
That was very expensive.
Yeah.
I think that was like 300 pounds. More than 300 pounds.
I'd say 350.
Yeah. Not including the games.
The game was pretty expensive.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at Sissy. So time for lunch, Pinkai. What you gonna have for lunch? It's almost 12 noon.
Oh, forgot.
Ang sakit dito. Lahat na lang sinubukan ko. Salabat. Gurgle ng asin with warm water. Lemon. Ginger. Wala talaga. So, ganito talaga. Alam ko na pag ako'y nagkaroon ng ubo. Oh my. Talagang ito ang in-expect ko palagi. Tapos yung matigas na walang plema.
So, basically what I'm doing right now is I have this thing on my wall. I think you all guys know that I have my pictures there. Like with my friends, family, but basically it's falling apart, so we're doing it again. We're gonna re-stick it, I guess.
How are you? How's your feeling now?
Yeah, I'm better.
Are you able to go back to school on Monday?
Yeah, and I'm going back to school on Monday because I think I feel better now. So, yeah, after a week not being in school, but at least I didn't really miss anything because I think my classmates, they sent me the work what they have been doing, so I just looked through it. But it's basically just the same thing that we've been going through, so it's not really nothing new.
Okay. Yan patunay na malamig ang panahon. Diyan lang siya palagi sa kanyang lungga. Okay, sa taas muna ako. Mas maganda doon, tahimik. At makikita natin yung magandang view sa Radon Village. Yun, ang magandang view again. At least ngayong araw na to ay lumabas si Haring Araw. Ang ganda ng view, no? Ang ganda talaga rito sa attic. Lalo na pag nag-snow. Tapos dito ka sa attic. Yung nakatingin ka sa mula rito sa itaas. Ang ganda talaga ng view. Yan. Time to pahinga muna rito sa ating reclining chair. Yan. Ayoko dun sa bed. Pag nakahiga ako, yung ubo ko talagang... So, ganda naman rito sa itaas. Kasi maluwang. Gusto mo ng magandang view. Parang 360 to eh. Doon, bintana doon. Bintana rito. Bintana doon. Kaya makita mo yung palibot ng village. Okay. So, yan. Si Hana, busy sa kakalinis. Kasi Sabado. Lahat kami nasa bahay. Yo. Busy. Tapos meron din akong neck support. Ito yung ginagamit ko pag long travel. Long haul flight. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Ganda. Pwede rin ganito. Pero usually sa plano, dito ko ito nilalagay. Para yan. Para walang sakit sa leeg pagka tapos ng mahabang flight. Yan, makakatulog ka talaga ng maayos. Yan, tapos naka-hoodie ka. Yan. Okay, pahinga muna ako rito. Si Hana at Sofia nasa baba na. May ginagawa sila, mga decoration. Yan. Where have you been?
I went to go for the light to see the Christmas tree light up in Veshovice.
How you did beautiful decoration.
Yeah, we did decoration.
Wow, you did decoration today,
I
right?
have bad news, but it's not really bad news. But I was eating paddock roast. It's like hot dog, right? But the ladies, they had a hole like right through. So they put ketchup, and the ketchup went into the paper that they had, and the paper it started getting wet, and then everything started falling apart, and my gloves are dirty.
So who was with you?
Deniska.
And
also Deniska, and also like the family.
about the neighbors, your friend there?
No, she wasn't there.
She wasn't there. You did not invite her? You're supposed to invite her.
Invite? I didn't even know that it was a date invited me because an hour before the Christmas tree light, like the Christmas lighting. They invited me 1 hour before, so I didn't even know about.
You're supposed to phone her. Hey, there's a Christmas tree lighting.
Yeah, next time I will.
Oh.
Do you want a pizza?
Pizza? I'm really full.
What did you eat there?
No, I'm going to make.
Okay. Wait.
You want or not?
No, I don't want.
What did you eat there?
I had a hot dog. It's park, but
Is it free?
no, but hot chocolate is free there.
You're supposed to call me.
Hot chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Free hot chocolate for
Yeah.
kids, but only for kids.
For kids.
But I could have went up to the tills and had me some hot chocolate and I could have seen.
Alright, okay. Bye for now.
Bye.
See you next time.